Open the Drops app. You can either start a new topic or go to a topic that you've already done. I'm choosing a topic that I've already finished. Once you have all the words unlocked, click the bottom left corner to reveal all the words. Memorize all the words by going down the line and repeat after the pronunciation 10 times.
برقوق
برقوق
كيوي
كيوي
توت أسود
توت أسود
شمام كوز العسل
شمام الكوز عسل
خوخ
خوخ. So do this 10 times. And after you've done that, you use your note card or ruler. Now quiz yourself. موز
موز
أقطف
أقطف
كمثرى.
كمثرى.
After you've covered the foreign words with a note card or ruler and quizzed yourself until you got them all correct, cover the foreign word and the English word and quiz yourself based off of the pictures. زيتون
زيتون
تفاح.
تفاح.
After you've done that and you're very familiar with the words, go back and then you can go through
نافورة.
one more randomized session. And that's just one tip I use to get more out of the Language Drops app. And I hope it helps you guys out.